In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a notes database in Notion. Using a ready-made template is the fastest way to build an organized workspace for your notes. Let's get started. Open your Notion workspace and click Templates in the left sidebar. This opens Notion's template gallery where you can browse a variety of pre-built layouts. Use the search bar to search for notes. Browse the available templates and choose the one that best fits your workflow. Click Get Template or Duplicate to add the template to your workspace. Notion will create a copy that you can edit and customize. Open the new Notes database and start adding your own notes. You can update the title, organize notes with tags or categories, add dates, and include any other properties you need to keep everything organized. If you'd like to personalize the database, change the icon, add a cover image, create new properties, or rearrange the database views to match your preferred workflow. That's how to create a notes database in Notion. Thanks for watching.